If you're ever in Dublin, California, you need to hit up Sahara Market. If you need to pick up some Middle Eastern, South Asian groceries, spices, and so on and so forth, and of course your halal meat fixin', this is the spot. They got a wide variety of marinated meats as well as desserts. But the fam and I came here to get our grub on. If you're a fan of Afghan or Iranian style grilled meats, man, they got you hooked up over here, bro. We ended up getting the kubide and the chapli kebab. Spicy chutney is the way to go with any of the grilled meats here. The kubide is delicious, and the chapli kebab is to die for. Delicious. Grilled tomatoes is a staple here with any of the dishes, and you gotta get your veggies in, bro. Pair that with an amazing fluffy basmati rice fixin', and we are good to go. So if you're ever in Dublin, California, you gotta hit up Sahara Meat Market and let them know that Haroon Eats and Travels sent you.